Greetings everyone. In today's video, we will quickly learn how you can block websites from Chrome on Windows 10 without using any extensions. So something like this. Let's get started.
For more contents like this, please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon.
Now to block any websites on Chrome using Windows 10, we will be using the Windows Defender Firewall. We will be blocking Facebook.com as an example, but you can use it for any websites. First, let me quickly open the browser and go to Facebook.com. So you can see that Facebook is working on Chrome. Now let's block this website. For that, go to the Start menu and type Windows Defender Firewall. This is the one. Click on it and click on Advanced Settings. Click on Outbound Rules. Basically, we will stop the rules to make the connection. Anyway, click on New Rule, choose Custom and click on Next. All programs, click Next. You can leave this to default and click on Next. Then in here, the remote IP address, choose these IP addresses and click on Add. Now we need to find the IP address of the website we are trying to block. For that, again on the Start menu, type CMD, right click and run as administrator. Now type nslookup space the website URL. Since we are blocking Facebook.com, type Facebook.com and press enter. So Facebook has two addresses, IP4 and 6. We will need to add both of them. Let me copy this one, highlight and Ctrl+C and paste. Ctrl+V. OK. Likewise, copy the other IP address. Click on Add. Copy this, Ctrl+C and paste it here, Ctrl+V and OK. Also do nslookup by adding www prefix. So nslookup space www.facebook.com. So if these IP addresses are different, then please add them too. But if it's exactly the same, you don't need to add it. Here you can see the IPs are same, so we do not need to add them. But please do search by adding www. Anyway, let me close this. Now again click on Next. Make sure block the connection is chosen. Next. All of these must be ticked. Next. Now give any name you want. I will write block FP and finish. You will see this here. So if I refresh this page, you can see it's blocked. Let me quickly do a Google search as well. So it's blocked again. So this is how you can block websites. Now to unblock the website, you can simply disable rule here or simply right click and delete this rule. Let me delete it. Yes. And let's refresh the page. So you can see the website has been unblocked. You can add multiple rules to block websites. By the way, do note that sites like Facebook might have several IP addresses. So you might need to add multiple IP addresses if in case this does not work. You can simply Google Facebook IP addresses. Thank you very much.